mission cannot reach our homes where we come from, though we live in town, we can buy vehicles. So remember our payment number for the project 410-94.
You called me and I was engaged on the other side. It's this great country, and above all, that prayer, then we will receive that song. So, Your Excellency, if you don't mind this, you can come to the...
May the Lord bless you, and let's continue praying for this great nation that God has given us. Let's continue praying for the leadership that God has given us.
Bwana wetu tunaomba ubariki na umuongoze